Imagine a symbol that transcends time, a testament to enduring bonds, the 24K gold rose. A harmonious blend of love and luxury, this is more than a gift, it's a masterpiece. Each rose, meticulously nurtured and plucked at its zenith, is immersed in the allure of certified 24K gold, exuding a timeless charm. This is not merely a flower, it's a statement as precious and enduring as gold itself. A 24K gold rose isn't just a flower, it's a flawless testament to your eternal love. The journey of each gold rose commences with meticulous cultivation. It's an intricate dance between nature and artistry where we patiently nurture natural red roses to their zenith of beauty. But that's not where the magic ends. Imagine each rose in its prime, chosen with utmost dedication, only to be immersed in the splendor of certified 24K gold. The process is painstaking, yes, but it's this very attention to detail that ensures the longevity of each gold rose. It's a labor of love, a testament to our commitment to creating something truly unique. Each rose, dipped and coated, is transformed from a transient symbol of love into an eternal one. And just like that, what was once a simple flower becomes a flawless testament to your love. A fusion of nature's beauty and man's ingenuity, crafted to stand the test of time. Every gold rose is crafted to stand the test of time, making it a gesture that lasts forever. The gold rose is presented in a lavish box, ensuring protection and stunning presentation for gifting. Each rose is a testament to our dedication to quality and uniqueness, and we're so confident you'll adore it, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. With our reliable shipping options, the rose arrives in perfect condition, ready to captivate. This is more than a gift, it's a statement of timeless love. This is the pinnacle of perfection for your perfect person. Choose the ideal gift that speaks volumes of your everlasting love with the 24K gold rose.